Hey there, welcome back to Food Benefits and Wellness. I'm Tony, and if you love discovering simple, natural ways to boost your health, then you're in the right place. Today we're talking about raw honey, nature's sweet elixir. Let's get into what one spoonful of raw honey every morning can do for your body.
Have you ever wondered what could happen if you ate just one spoon of raw honey every morning? Well, stick around because in today's video we're diving into the incredible health benefits of raw honey that might just transform your mornings.
Let's talk about your immune system, the body's natural defense force. Wouldn't it be great if there was a delicious way to give it a boost? We're talking about raw honey, packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Raw honey contains natural antibacterial properties. These properties help ward off infections. Just one spoon of honey each morning can boost your immune system. We've all been there, that uncomfortable, bloated feeling after a meal. But what if I told you that raw honey could be your digestive hero? Raw honey contains special enzymes that support healthy digestion. It also acts as a soothing agent for your digestive tract. Imagine enjoying your meals without discomfort. Tired of that mid-morning slump? Reaching for another cup of coffee only to experience the inevitable crash later? It's time to ditch the caffeine roller coaster and discover the natural energy boost of raw honey. Unlike processed sugars that spike your blood sugar levels, raw honey provides a steady release of energy. This means you'll feel more awake and focused throughout the morning without the jitters or that dreaded afternoon crash. Think of it as sustained energy that powers you through your day. A spoonful of honey every morning can be the perfect pre-workout fuel or a way to kickstart your day with natural energy. Chapter 4. A Sweetheart for Your Heart. Raw honey and heart health. When it comes to your heart health, you want to make choices that support its well-being. And here's a sweet secret. Raw honey has been linked to better heart health. The antioxidants in raw honey act like guardians, protecting your heart from damage. They may help lower blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. But that's not all. Regular consumption of honey can also support healthy cholesterol levels, which is essential for keeping your heart in top shape. It's like giving your heart a little TLC every day. Remember, a healthy heart is a happy heart, and raw honey can play a delicious role in your heart-healthy lifestyle. Chapter 5. Sweet dreams are made of this. Raw honey for sleep. Struggling to get a good night's sleep? Raw honey might be the answer. It helps release melatonin, regulating your sleep-wake cycle. A spoonful before bed signals your body to wind down. Wake up refreshed and energized. Chapter 6. Nature's Beauty. Secret. Raw honey for skin health. We all want that healthy, radiant glow, and raw honey can help you achieve it naturally. It's like having a beauty secret hidden right in your pantry. Raw honey is a natural humectant, which means it attracts and locks in moisture, keeping your skin hydrated and supple. Say goodbye to dry, flaky skin. And if you're battling breakouts, raw honey's antibacterial properties come to the rescue. It gently cleanses the skin, helping to clear up acne and soothe irritation. So, if you're looking for a natural way to enhance your skincare routine, look no further than raw honey. Outro. Unlock the power of raw honey. There you have it, folks. From boosting your immune system to giving you glowing skin, raw honey is a true gift from nature. And the best part? Incorporating it into your daily routine is incredibly easy. Just one spoonful each morning is all you need to experience its incredible benefits. Add it to your tea, spread it on toast, or enjoy it straight from the spoon. Remember, small changes can make a big difference, and incorporating raw honey into your diet is a simple yet powerful step towards a healthier, happier you. Until next time, stay well.